One of my other favorite dishes is this corn salad. And oh my gosh, corn screams summer. And if any of you have picked fresh corn off the cob, that sweet, earthy smell, there's just nothing to beat it. I'm going to show you how you can make this salad in two different ways. So the first way is you can add cilantro and jive with the cilantro and the lime and the avocado, or you can do it differently. I know there are many people out there that do not like cilantro. So for those of you who don't like cilantro, because you say it tastes like stinky socks, or it smells like stinky socks, or soapy socks. Does it taste like soap? This is a problem now. I feel I'm blushing. I want to show you how you can take this simple salad and take it in two different directions. You can go the cilantro way with a little bit of avocado and lime. We today are going to use parsley and basil, or as you say here in America, basil. Instead of avocados, we are going to be using a creamy feta cheese. And that together with the basil and the parsley just gives a total different flavor. But let me tell you, both of those variations are great. Right, so let me show you how to put this together. There you go. Such a delicious summer salad, and everyone will be coming for seconds.